Should you tell people it's lab grown? Short answer, yes. But let's talk about the longer answer, because this one comes up a lot. You buy a lab diamond, beautiful ring, she loves it. Then comes the dinner, the family gathering. Someone leans in and says, is that real? Here's the thing. That question, it's not really about the diamond. It's about what they think diamonds mean. Lab diamonds are chemically identical to mine diamonds. Physically identical, visually identical. A gemologist with equipment still has to put in work to tell them apart. So when someone asks if it's real, it is, completely. Now, do you have to explain all of that in the moment? No. You can simply say it's a lab-grown diamond, same thing, just made differently. Done. Say nothing extra, move on. Let the ring speak for itself. Choosing a lab diamond isn't a compromise, it's a position. It says, we know what we're doing, we chose this intentionally. That confidence, it's contagious. Confidence starts before the party, before the question. It starts when you choose the ring. Take the Friendly Confidence Index. Know exactly why you chose what you chose, so when the moment comes, you're ready. Details in the caption.